Hello everyone, I'm back at it. I just wanted to show the new Probe GUI that I modified, matched the rest of my GUI. So far it looks pretty good. I have an option to load my probe and then measure the length of the probe automatically. I'm going to test probing the center of this little contraption here, just to show how it works. Right now I'm at 1, 1 on the local, but it's set up that it's going to zero that out after it probes it. So let's give it a shot. So jog down inside of the hole. And it's already set up to do an inner circle. And let's give it a shot. And we get 0, 0 now, so it works pretty good. I'm super excited to start using this. A lot more testing to do, but all right, now I'm going to test out doing an outer diameter measurement. Same thing when you do the circle center for an outer circle. You have to specify a clearance. That's how far down it'll go around the part. So let's give that a shot now. All the numbers are set up right. It's already at 0, 0 pretty much, but we'll start probing. It's going to update the offset anyway. So let's try that. Does a quick measurement real quick. Then it'll do the actual measurement, so it'll double touch. Centered over the hole, and that's 0, 0 again. So yeah, it works really well for that as well.
Also wanted to share, I broke my ruby tip on the probe. I can't find it, so I made a simple probe stem and a tip on my Emco Compact 5 CNC. I would have much rather had a real ruby again, but for what I'm doing, this should work fine. The Emco Compact 5 CNC, I retrofitted it with a CW20T standalone controller, and honestly it works great. It's surprisingly accurate, runs really well, it's really easy to operate. You can see the actual control here, so it just works really well. I really like it. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.